Anshuman told you, you're the lady SRK here. So, what attracted you the most about this film, about your character?
I have to admit that it is a very author-driven part, and I think thank you Vikas for that, because जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी, मैंने ऐसी बहुत सारी प्रोजेक्ट्स की हैं जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी और मुझे लगा है कि कहानी में बहुत दम है, बाकी किरदारों के पास बहुत कुछ है करने को, मेरे किरदार में है वो बात, लेकिन वो मुझे बनाना पड़ेगा और मुझे वो काम करना पड़ेगा. और उससे मेरा ये मतलब नहीं है कि मैं ज़्यादा फुटेज खा लूँ या मुझे ज़्यादा लाइंस चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं, लेकिन उसमें उसको शाइन करने के लिए कुछ मुझे ज़्यादा काम करना पड़ेगा. एंड दैट इज़ बिन अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग चैलेंज, एंड आई फेल्ट वेरी हैप्पी व्हेन दैट हैज़ वर्कड ऑल्सो, यू नो. बट व्हेन आई रेड दिस पार्ट, आई फेल्ट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, आई थिंक आई फेल्ट कि this is a character which really has a backing from the writing, you know, and so my job became very easy, and I said sometimes I should give myself that opportunity also. Also, I think it tells through this character, I felt like there was so much about the women I have grown up with, you know, कि आज तक मैं किसी भी रूम में जाऊं तो मुझे लगता है कि उस रूम के पीस को मेंटेन करना मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. और एंड इन द फर्स्ट टाइम हाफ ऑफ द फिल्म you do see a lot of that, and then that changes, you know. So I was very sort of moved by that, personally moved by that also.
Thank you. My next question is for Anshuman. See, Anshuman, whenever we talk about movies which are inspired from other filmmakers, and there are certain instances where filmmakers they have copied the films, right? So how do you draw the line that you only pay the homage to the filmmaker and not directly inspire it from his works?
You don't copy the films. You don't play the DVD on set and go frame by frame. See यार, homage is something, मैं बड़े simple दो शब्दों में, if you are authentic and if your intent is honest, you will never do something with a film or a play that in any way cheats. Simple. Alfred Hitchcock for me is a figure that in my lifetime, if I can even achieve 1%, cinematically speaking, I'm not talking box office, I'm not talking any of that. Because see, we are 70 years away from, or 65 years away from his last film, and we are still talking about him. So when Vikas and me were writing, and again Vikas can vouch for this, I imagined this film as a single lens film because when the camera's depth of field, अभी जैसे मैं आपको देख रहा हूँ, मैं zoom in तो कर नहीं रहा, मैं आपको देख रहा हूँ, right? ये और मेरी depth organically fix है. जब आप lens नहीं बदलते हैं, तो audience की depth भी fix हो जाती है 10 मिनट के बाद. They subconsciously get used to it. Then they start feeling like they are in the room if you have done a decent job as a filmmaker, which you will tell me after watching the film if I have done or not. So the choice of using a single lens was more script driven because it's a pure chamber film. 70% of the film is inside one house. It dictated, the script dictated that choice. The fact that Alfred Hitchcock has done this over the years definitely subconsciously has been in my influence. But I would say this is an out and out homage for the simple reason that I didn't say मैं एक लेंस पे फिल्म शूट करूंगा बिकॉज आप ऐसी स्क्रिप्ट लिखो. उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट लिखी, स्क्रिप्ट के दौरान हमारे जैमिंग में हमें लगा कि इसका बेस्ट नैरेटिव स्टाइल एंड लैंग्वेज होगा अगर ऑडियंस ऐसा फील करे कि वो कमरे में है इन लोगों के साथ. I want the audience to be the sixth character. What's the best way to technically achieve that? I have used the Cooke i7 lenses, which are glorious pieces of lenses. Like, it's a toy I want to just cuddle and sleep. They're just the results you'll see. It's beautiful. But the challenge, and I had all the lenses, by the way. When you take an Cooke i7 series, you get the whole bank. There is a certain magic, and Jean-Marc Selva, who's the French DP, for one shot, he really wanted me to change the lens. But I said, if we are going pure, and I believe in this in life, I believe in this philosophy of 0 and 100. I live a very, what's the word? Binary. अब आपको पसंद नहीं आया वो आपका पर्सपेक्टिव है. मेरा बड़ा 0 और 100 का सीन है मेरा. अगर मैं कुछ करूंगा, मैं अभी 14 घंटे काम करूंगा, मैं घर जाके अपने कुत्तों को घुमाऊंगा. अर्जुन इज माई नेबर, ही कैन वाउच फॉर दैट. आई विल नॉट गेट अ डॉग वॉकर. So if I take a responsibility, I'm going to be accountable for it no matter how inconvenient it is. So same goes in my filmmaking. I am not going to cheat in any way the script and the story that man has written there. So the lens dictated that. The narrative was dictated by the story and not the other way around. When people take a DVD at set and play and copy, that is cheating.